Bitcoin, here's the best definition I heard at a conference from another speaker, and I've stolen this line ever since. It's the digitization, cryptocurrencies are the digitization of all financial assets. Is that a big deal or not? So that's what it is.
Well, that's Bitcoin, DeFi at large, perhaps. Is that DeFi or is that Bitcoin?
No, it's DeFi, but Bitcoin, I see, when it grows and gets more acceptance, could be the standard. That everybody's talking to this conference about gold coming back means that no, gold will never be the standard. It cannot keep up with the global economy. We're in a digital economy now, and Bitcoin could become the new standard for the digital economy in the future, replacing gold in that function.
Harry Dent is an American financial newsletter writer and the author of The Great Depression Ahead, a New York Times bestseller. In a recent interview with Michelle McCory of Kitco News, Dent, who is also the founder and CEO of HS Dent Forecast, gives his short-term and long-term prediction for Bitcoin, gold, Ethereum, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market. In his interview, Dent explains that we are in a digital economy and only an asset like Bitcoin can become the focus of such an economy. Dent declares that Bitcoin will overtake gold. The author also gives his short-term and mid-term prediction for Bitcoin. We will take you to the interview shortly. But before we do, please take a little time to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your comments below. Enjoy.
I think Bitcoin, and I've tracked this versus the dot-coms. I compare the cryptos to the dot-coms in the late 90s. It wasn't just a bubble in tech stocks. It was the dot-coms, Amazon, okay? Amazon was a nothing burger and became the greatest retailer in history. So this is going to crash, and I think Bitcoin could go down to 3,000 to 7,000 and then go to 500,000 to 1 million in the next global boom. So that will be the buy of a lifetime.
All right, I want to break that down a little bit. So Bitcoin goes down to around 3,000.
3,000 to 7,000, yes.
In the next
2 years.
2 years.
In the global crash,
where
all financial assets, and Bitcoin is a new financial asset. It's like the dot-com.
But ultimately, you see Bitcoin going to $500,000.
$500,000 to $1 million.
By 2037?
Yeah, and you know what? That would be enough for it to overtake gold as a global standard for money.
When you say global standard, do you see fiat currency being pegged to a Bitcoin standard? What do you mean by that?
It could be. I mean, you have to peg to something. I mean, here's the thing. This crash, after the greatest bubble in history, when everybody took off the shackles, is going to show that you can't just print money and grow, okay? And everybody's done it. U.S. is not the worst player here. Europe and Japan are worse. When this crashes, it's going to say, we need a new standard. We need something real, and we need something for the digital realm. Gold is not that. I think gold will grow to 3,000 to 5,000 in the next boom because Indians love gold. They like it as jewelry. Indians wear jewelry in places we can't even imagine. Okay. They wear more jewelry compared to their income than anybody I've met in the world.
So Indians love gold, but the globe is going to love Bitcoin long term.
Bitcoin is going to be the new digital standard, I think, for money. And that's the standard. So other things, crypto, are innovations in finance. But I think Bitcoin becomes the global standard. It's not there yet. It's not big enough. It's not widely accepted. And I think it'll crash the most. I think Bitcoin, like I said, 4,000 to 7,000. From 69, that'll crash more than stocks. That's what I would, if we have this crash I'm predicting in the next 2 years, the number one thing I'd buy would be Bitcoin or Ethereum coming out of it.
Number one thing you'd buy Bitcoin and
That's
Ethereum.
The next new wave, like the dot-coms, like Amazon were in the 2000, 2002 crash.
Okay.
You know, Amazon went from 6 to 136 in 2 years and back to $6. That would have been the buy of your lifetime back in 2002.
Dent thinks Bitcoin could drop to $3,000, much like how Amazon's stock behaved during the dot-com bubble. This is quite a stretch, but we want to know what our viewers think about that short-term prediction. Do you think we go that low within the next 2 years as Dent predicts? If not, what do you think the bottom will be, and how long before we get there? Please drop your comments below. For now, Bitcoin's $30,000 consolidation continues to extend. The coin is currently trading at $30,300, a 4% increase over the past 24 hours. However, the crypto asset's monthly loss is still over 27%. Ethereum also seems to be improving significantly. Over the past 24 hours, the coin has gained 6.34% and is now trading above $2,000. Most of the other top cryptocurrencies are also performing better. Cardano has gained over 5%. Solana has gained almost 10% in the past 24 hours, and Avalanche is up by over 13%. But things are still looking gloomy when you consider the asset's monthly losses. Avalanche is down by 61% in the past month, Solana by over 51%, Cardano by over 44%, and Ethereum by over 34%. Do you think a short-term increase in prices means the bottom is in and the crypto market is on the path to recovery? Please drop your comments below and don't forget to hit the like button. Today's video is sponsored by Margex, your reliable way to trade Bitcoin with up to 100 times leverage. Margex is a global crypto trading platform specifically designed by traders for traders. It features the combined liquidity of over a dozen cryptocurrency exchanges, bank-grade multi-layer security, and you can start trading with as low as $10. To make your trading experience even more memorable and profitable, Margex offers live deal flow and a $40 million deep order book from over a dozen liquidity providers. That's all the market data you need to make informed decisions for your long and short position trades. With up to 100 times leverage, a user-friendly interface, and a unique isolated margin system that lets you know the liquidation price and exact amount at risk when you place your order, Margex is arguably one of the best platforms for trading all your favorite cryptocurrencies. When you sign up on Margex, you get a $50 bonus to pay trading fees and another $50 bonus when you make a deposit of 0.004 Bitcoin. Unlike other platforms, Margex does not require a KYC verification procedure for users, so you can trade without revealing any sensitive information. Margex is safe, secured, easy to use, and specifically designed to take care of all your trading needs. Please click the link in the description box to sign up immediately and receive your $50 bonus. Thanks for watching.